Hi everyone, welcome back to the Online Help Guide. I'll take you through the Linen app installation process in today's tutorial. Open the Play Store on your device first. Tap on the top search bar. After that, type Linen app. The app that we're going to download is this one. To begin the installation process, simply tap on Install icon. Now let it start downloading. Upon completion of the download, click Open. Now, once you follow the instructions on how to register or log in, you may use the application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.